Hello everyone. We're going to park with asawa. Magdi-date kami sa park na lang, walang bayad. Tsaka fresh air pa. Maganda ang panahon. Medyo may kulimlim pero okay lang. Das ist Park Plainsburg, na?
Yeah. An old cemetery, which is a park now.
Old Cemetery. Tapos,
Yes.
und dann die Mac Park.
Yes.
Oh my God. Kakaiba rito, guys. Old Cemetery ginawang park. Oh my God. Maybe das is super gas dahani.
I think they will not disturb you.
We need we don't need to disturb the gas da. Das is aber the bones, the coin, they have alibi ko na.
I think they're still there.
Okay.
You want a shovel, then you can look.
Ginawang park yung old cemetery, but okay, but still the cemetery dana, but no, they cannot put the new.
No, it's closed as cemetery.
Okay, close na, but the old yung mga patay na matagal na is still there na, the Gistover Nokta. Nandun pa rin yung mga matagal na, guys, na patay. Parang mga ninuno. This is what is ninuno? Ano nga ba yung ninuno? Ano ba yan, guys? Maraming rito, guys, kung yung solar. Yung Pilipinin ay sabi ni super solar kasi.
I don't know why.
Siya din,
Wait, was not SM putting solar on all the malls?
I don't know, sabi niya siya. Medyo mainit-init ang panahon. It's not so cold. Heute, ne? It's so cold.
8 degrees is cold.
Honey, before is negative. Itong asawa ko makomplainin.
It's cold.
Always complain is cold.
Everything under 30 degrees is cold.
Lake siya, guys, dyan. Ayan, may lake. Aber yung lake dito, they can swim, ne? It's okay.
I don't know.
I think they have behind the Blood Eagle. This is Blood Eagle or yung beach. Ano nga ba yung linta? Linta. Ano sa English ang linta, guys? Blood.
There you will find one. You can
Beach.
jump inside and you can check.
Blood Eagle na in Deutschland.
Yeah.
What in English?
Bloodsuckers.
Blutsucker. Eagle.
Vampires in the water.
Beach. Beach.
There can also be bitches.
Beach. Ano ang English ng linta, guys? Can you tell us? Google natin mamaya. Linta. Anak ko, I got a linta before when I'm still young. Yung nagtatanim kami ng palay sa Bisaya, guys. Naku, sobrang iyak ko, sigaw-sigaw. Kakaano. Sorry, the auto is not sober, not clean. My husband
Yeah,
not
my
clean.
wife not clean. She always want to drive with me.
This is thine auto.
Yeah,
You need to-
also yours.
You need to take care of your auto.
Also yours. Yeah. Who's sitting there now? And look there, that's dirty. And tell about your chips you left in the car on the seat.
Ano ba yun ang asawa ko? Lagi akong inaano, you making down. Making down.
I'm not making it down. You are laughing.
My asawa is not good, no?
But she is laughing, right?
Everyone help me. My asawa is so bad to me.
Support the poor men.
For what? So for punch?
I'm bringing my wife on a date and she's making me down. Thank you.
Guys, dating in old cemetery. Kakaibang ano, what is the title? Old cemetery. Dating old cemetery.
No, see you later.
Oh my God. An airplane, was is that road? This is road, honey. Cranking Flugzeug.
Ein Hubschrauber.
Yeah.
Dann ist das ein Rettungshubschrauber.
Yung ano guys, yung kagandahan dito pag halimbawang very emergency, you have, what is that you need to pay?
No.
No need to pay?
Normally not.
Okay. This is good.
But that's only when it's really necessary.
Ang ganda rin guys, no? Pag halimbawa really big emergency, you can use the airplane. Pwede kang
Airplane.
helicopter, sorry guys. Kasi sa akin parang helicopter at saka airplane iisa na. That's one. It's already same. Parang yung ano lang, pag nakakita ka ng puti nung una ba, ng puti sa Pilipinas, feeling mo ano na Amerikano. If I saw with somebody saw in the Philippines you are white, oh, Americano.
Hey Joe.
Hey Joe.
And I always said, hey Filipino.
Somebody also told you, honey, that you are, hey Joe.
Yeah, there were many.
Hey Americano.
There were a whole big group of girls the first time I went in the Philippines who said, hey Joe.
Dating with asawa in old cemetery, guys. Anong title natin yan? This is David Schuliher, na?
Only short time he was here.
Short time, why?
That was before for training only.
Only training. My son, old Schule. School. Training lang daw pala, guys.
Berufsschule in German.
Para
Jobs.
Job center.
So job training.
Job training, okay. Job center din. Training. But David, our son, he is already a regular na in work.
Yes.
That's good. Oh, sino ang single dyan? Joke. This is also hotel the honey. Oh, old hotel. Hindi ba halata yung yung marumi? asawa old work.
Yeah, only the boss of my asawa now.
That's also my boss.
Yep.
Why? Why he is my boss? My boss is Gio.
No, and this is Georg's boss, so they are your boss.
Gio also. This
Yeah.
is the big boss.
Yeah.
That's-
Oh, look, there's a car for Josie.
Yeah, I can. That is good. And so that is our the big office
Yeah.
dito, guys. That is Danish bureau office. But also David's school,
That was David's old school, yeah.
old school. Parang high school na. It's like a high school.
Yes. I think so.
Guys, malapit na kami sa park, sa cemetery. I-date ako ni asawa sa
So
cemetery,
this
guys.
is a park you have to go inside with respect.
With respect. Why? You need to respect all?
Oops.
Ito na.
I think we have a problem.
Lahat ay ni proud raus.
Ja, das ist aber kein Parkplatz da hinten.
I gonna look outside na. Ein Moment.
You go in the park, I will find it.
Okay. I think her, honey. Her. Dito? Ane. Dito na kami sa old cemetery, guys. Pinakamatandang cemetery pero ginawa ng park. Naalala ko, guys, ang simbahan dito ay may sementeryo. Yun ang nila. Sabi ko, bakit may mga patay? Sabi ko, dyan ikakasal. Naku. Diba? Meron na mamasyal. Sementeryo. Hindi naman nakakatakot. Hindi siya nakakatakot, eh. Dami rin na mamasyal. Hello. Diba, namamasyal, nagdi-date. Naghahanap si asawa ng parking. Diba, may old cemetery talaga, guys. Hindi pa gaano maano yung mga flowers. Maganda pag nakabukas na. Dating with asawa in cemetery. Kakaiba. Ayun ang asawa ko. Honey, you are so romantic. You're so romantic. It's very quiet. Very quiet, guys.
And you're not sure the lion?
Very quiet. This is the date. What do you call that? Date with asawa in old cemetery.
It's a park now.
Now is park. But it's still cemetery.
Honey, it's a park with a view.
Hmm?
It's a park with a view.
Okay. Oh, this one also. Yeah, it's very nice. Old. Even the cross, no? It's old.
Yeah.
It's same.
You can see here this 1864.
Talagang ano siya guys, tumao, pare-parehas. It's they make like same na cross. Hello, whoop whoop. Tuma guys. Very old talaga siya. Siguro this is what they call that, the yung about the Gistoburn in Craig, honey, this is net.
Yes.
Hero?
This
Hero o ano ba tawag?
is the
Heroes.
German-Danish War in 1864.
1864. When is that? 1864 Danish War with
Germany against
German
Preußen, it was called then.
German against before, no? But now guys, German and Danish is good sa amin na, no? Ani, they are good friend. Diba all?
You can say there's these people, soldiers here that died 1850.
Diba guys, ito. So this is soldier,
Yeah.
military, mga military siya. Hello, whoop. Oh, so cute. Ang cute na aso guys, oh. Diba guys, oh, look. This is all, honey, military.
Yes.
Ba? Okay.
You can look, most of them died at the same time.
Yung mga namatay sila nung ano, war. But now is park. Date my asawa. How is your dating with me, honey, in the park?
Let's say the people here are quieter than you.
Oh my God. Oo nga. Ang ingay ko guys. Sorry. Sorry po mga lulong. Halos pare-pares guys. Oh. Yung ano niya. Hindi pa masyado na ano ang mga flowers. Maganda yan pag nakalabas na guys. Ang ganda ng ano. Akala ko mag-open na kasi nung last week nagpunta rin kami. No, hindi pa nakaano yung flower, nakabuka. Maganda yan pag ano. Honey, you date with me on that. You're so far away.
By the way, did my Asawa tell you that she already have been here before and she liked it because of the flowers?
Because of flowers, yeah.
And I'm sure I explained her about this place before. Yeah, honey. This lion was set here because of the first battle in each state, 1850.
1850.
25 of July, 1850.
Maybe, moment. Narinig nyo guys. If 1850, accent 100, sway on 6 honey.
No, the battle was 1850.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Was
1850 nga guys. I saw the ano.
raised later.
Okay, yeah. You explain how
And then
why
2011 they put it back again because now the Danish and German are friends.
our friend.
Yes.
You explain why they put this one?
That was for remembrance of the people who died in this battle.
Why lion?
Because a lion is strong and proud.
Okay. But now ano na sila, good friend na. I hope that Ukraine also on the behind the Ukraine on the fighting.
Ukraine against Russia.
Yeah, I hope they also become good friends.
That will take a while.
Yeah, it's soon. Ayan. Look guys, ayan oh, ang dami. Hindi pa gaanong bumubuka. But it's okay. Okay, honey. Thank you for watching, guys. This is our date.
I will also go eating with her. Don't worry.
Honey,
But not on the cemetery.
why we not bring? We can bring foods here. And what is this?
Auch ein Denkmal.
Oh, you disturb the bird.
They are extending the park.
Honey, here is more flowers.